Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Still, I'm cooking for the same lunch meeting. So, nakagawa na ako ng salad. So, now I'm just making a little bit of an appetizer. And I'm making use of the Molo wrapper. Our unfinished cream cheese. See, ang dami. Ilang beses ko na siya nagamit. And then this one, somebody gave me a basket. So, this is actually just jam. So, basically, any jam will do. So, what I'm after is the salt and sweetness. Basically, what I do is Molo wrapper, any kind of cheese. Kunyari, meron kaming queso de bola na tira. Tapos may ham. Babalutin ko lang dito. Fry it, and that's my appetizer. Like, kunyari, even the quick meal. There was a time, meron kaming mango jam. So, hinaluka lang siya ng mango jam. So, hindi ko alam. Siguro, Molo poppers, Molo wrappers. Hindi ko alam anong pwedeng tawagin. Maybe you can help me name it. I don't know how to name it. So, this is the Molo wrapper. So, basically, we're just gonna fry it. Very easy. Diba? So, what you'll need is just a bowl of water para i-seal mo siya, cream cheese, and then a teaspoon for the blueberry jam or something else. I just need to scrape it. Very easy. And then fry away. Of course, you need cooking oil. So, si Ate Lina will help me. Kasi, matrabaho to. At least, diba, you don't waste ingredients. So, about this much, put it in the middle. Of course, if yung cheese mo is hard cheese, syempre mas madali kasi kakat mo lang into cubes, tapos lalagay mo lang sa gitna, diba? But we're working with cream cheese, so sayang naman yung ingredient. Bakit ba tayo may cream cheese? I think I was supposed to make dessert the other day, but hindi natuloy. We used to cream cheese for something else. So, marami na tira. Ito yung mga appetizers na ang effort mo gawin, tapos ang bilis kainin. Diba? But, ito yun eh. Parang lumpia, diba? Ang dali-dali lang niya kainin. Especially lumpiang Shanghai, pero yung effort. Diba? So, there. Then, I'm gonna put some blueberry. There you go. Again, ulitin ko, any jam will do, any cheese will do. What we're playing up na flavor profile here is a sweet and salty kind of contrast. Tapos you have that, you know, the crunch by frying it. So, there you go. And then, you wet the corners. There you go. Molo poppers. Again, you wet the four corners. And then stick it together there. So, para ka lang gumagawa ng, when you actually wrap for molo, di ba? When you make molo soup. But this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry it. Iba-iba yung sizes ng molo. Don't buy small because ang hirap niyang punuin. So, I think this is medium. Tapos, remember, we did a demo, I think, of the tuna spread. Yeah, so, pwede mo rin ito gawin. Or, i-fry mo lang yung molo. Kung ayaw mo magbalot, gawin mo siyang parang nachos. Pwede rin gawin yun. Okay. We are going to start frying while they're doing that. So, basically, we're just waiting for it to heat up. Then, we're gonna fry it. Habang hinintay ko lang yan, ina-ice ko na yung danggit as our appetizer. Kaparis niyan. Ang theme natin, sweet and salty. Kaya, salty ang ating danggit. Kasi ano to eh, I think my father-in-law bought so much, gave us danggit. So, we're using it as our appetizer. Yan. Lagay ko lang ito sa plate ha. So, sundan nyo na lang ako. Bahala na kayo dyan. Go. So, it's like one of our appetizers. Hinihintay ko lang siya maging mainit. Pag ganito, like the wonton, you'd want your oil to be really hot. Kasi if lalagay mo siya and it's not so hot, then you're not gonna have that crunchy, crispy texture. So, we're waiting it and I'm just being patient. Maybe another minute or so. Tapos remember yung advice natin, huwag tayo yung masyadong mataas. Kasi the more mataas, magsasplatter sa'yo. Diba? So, ano ka lang, close as possible. There. So, mabilis na mabilis to. So, ano pa yung pwede mo gawing stuffing dito? Pwede ka rin, I think meron akong ginawa before, ground pork with hoisin sauce, natira. You can do that also. Parang kunyari yung usual na linalagay mo na stuffing sa lumpiang Shanghai, pwede mo na siya dito gawin. Diba? So, parang wala lang. It's just to be creative para lang may iba kang pang-appetizer. As it's heated, the cheese inside will melt. No? So, this has been frying for like a minute and a half. And probably I'm just gonna wait for another minute and it's gonna be done. So, see, it's pretty golden. Yan. Ang mahiwagang wonton wrapper. So, siguro just a minute. Pag nagtataka kayo sa video, ba't ako tumitingin sa taas? Kasi may clock. Ito yung timer. So, hindi yung naglulutang-lutang ako, hindi yun. Kasi may timer dyan. So, time conscious ako. Thank you pala sa mga nagtatry ng recipes. Kay Chef Carlo, chef ka na, di ba? Natapos ka na sa CCA. Thank you so much for trying gambas con chorizo. Pero, totoo lang, ang dami mong masarap na recipes sa family mo. So, here, it's golden. So, I'm slowly just taking it out. So, it's very easy. Siguro sa ibang nanonood, parang meron silang restaurants or something. Could be something that you could do also. Because it's fairly easy, di ba? It could be cheese sticks. Put some jalapeno. No, mas madali siyang i-wrap. So, there siya. Just making sure everything is golden. Ito nga yung sinabi ko, effort na effort. Pero napakabilis isubo. Di ba? Meron mga iba nagsasabi na cheap lang daw yung recipe. Yes, I would, but sometimes talaga, yun lang yung natitirang food sa bahay. Yung parang may leftovers ka. Parang for me, yes, I will offer more cheaper kinds of recipes, but I think at the same time, ayoko yung magtatapon ka ng food because it's such a waste. Ang daming pwede pang gawin. So, we just really want to showcase what you can do. Meron kang sometimes ingredients sa bahay na you're stuck with. Hindi mo na alam paano ilutuin. Ready to serve na, diba? So, if you notice, it's very important to seal it para hindi mag-explode. Tinan mo yung may iba na nag-ooze out na yung ating mga blueberries. So, it's important to put the right amount and to seal it properly. So, dun mo makikita. Some people, the trick that they do is gaw-gaw, diba? Yung cornstarch and water para it's stickier. No? So, but I don't find it really necessary. It's just an added cost. Talagang tsatsagain mo lang to seal it properly and yung talagang tamang tansya na yung lagay ng laman sa loob. Nalagay ko na siya sa Molo poppers.
Cheese explodes.
Wow, very good.
I like the popper.
Okay. And so this is our Molo poppers. So basically, again, so we're just putting it our last minute touch. Our #1 customer likes it. So enjoy, happy cooking, and see you soon.